Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about the different type of editors for the HTML coding. So in the previous video, we have learnt about the code writing in Notepad, also in Sublime Text Editor. So in this video, we are going to learn about the tags that are used in HTML. We will be covering all the tags in different videos, but the basic idea of tags will be covered here. So what are tags in HTML? An HTML tag surrounds the content and apply meaning to it. It is written between these brackets. So every tag which gets opened in HTML should also be closed. So what is the syntax of the tag? So syntax of tag is as follows, like this. So we need to write the tag name, we need to give the content for that tag, and we need to close that tag. So in the previous some demos, we have seen the tags like h1 and p. So these are the tag names h1p. There are many more tags, we will be covering them. And the content, we have given here the details about the content which gets displayed on the browser. So let's get more idea about the tags. We will write the code in the text editor. So here is our file tagdemo.html. Let's get blueprint for HTML first. So this is our blueprint. We need to give the title for this file. So let's give tag demo. So like previously we have used the h1 tag, but there are many tags for heading starting from h1 till h6. So let's cover these headings one now. So let's write our first tag h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and the last one is h6. So this is our tag name. We have closed the tag. Now we need to give the content for this all the tags. So for h1 I am providing heading 1. So I will copy this text and will provide the content for all the remaining headings. So you need to make changes 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the tags for the heading, 6 different type of heading tags. So let's run this. What is the difference we see about all these contents in browser? See, so we can make out the difference, like heading 1 tag is greater in size and also it is more bold. See, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So according to our requirement we can make use of all these headings. So let's remove these all headings. We will be using h1. Now let's take example for another tags. So we already have covered the paragraph tag, so let's take another. So b, so it is also a tag. You can see here b stands for bold heading. Another tag we will take for example is I stands for italic. And the last one for this demo, u stands for underline. So let's save this code and see what data is getting displayed on browser. So see, so this is our the first heading one. Let me show you. See, this is our tag demo title. So here we can able to see this tag demo. Heading 1, this is our bold heading, so it is in bold format, bold heading. Third one is italic. So basically what it is doing, whatever text we have written here, it is converting it into italic form. So let's save this. You just need to refresh the browser. See, hello, and this is the underline. The text is getting underlined below, saying your hi. See, now what we can do, all these three tags which we have written, they are all getting printed in one line. So we need to make them in another line. So how we can do that? So there is one tag in HTML that you can use, which is BR. BR stands for break. So already after heading 1 there is break, so we can use this tag after B. So what it will do, after bold heading, it will break that line, and the text which is written after that will be displayed on the next line. So I will be displaying BR here also. Just refresh the browser. See, hello and hi. So one point to remember here, the BR tag which we have opened, it is not closed. We didn't close this BR bracket. So there are basically two tags which we can avoid of using, or we can just ignore closing of those tags, BR tag and HR tag. We will be covering HR tag in upcoming videos. So this was all about the tags. So that's it for this video. We will be covering attributes in the next video.